Hi guys， 我是欢迎收看 AmBirdie， 我是菜鸟主持人 Kim。这一期的视频赞助来自知名高尔夫球品牌 Majesty 在2020年全新推出的 Prestigio 11代系列，感谢 Majesty 对 AmBirdie 的支持。
Next to play, the 2012 and 2014 PGA.
Playing from right now. A little bit of breeze from his right, but not much to speak of at the moment. Good contact, but heading out to the right. A bit of a squirter there out of the wet rough, I believe.
Wow.
That's a thing of beauty right there.
What a shot. Wow.
Yes.
And a good roll from Tiger Woods.
This one's starting right of the flag. It's going to have to get up. Oh, it did.
Over the years. Great reader of greens. Works hard on his stroke. Not a bad roll at Tiger. Taps in for his par to remain at 1 under. Mentioned that lengthwise this course not too deep, but the par 4s like this one playing 493 yards. Tiger's tee shot. Club twirl and just pick up.
Yeah, just beautifully placed. Play just a little bit from right to left. Right around the dog leg. That is.
To me like a 7-iron for Tiger. Going just left of it. Oh, lovely shot.
An impressive shot.
Could just drift a little bit to his left.
Big putt for him.
Emphasis was good looking stroke though, Curtis. I like the way he's rolling it.
Large things up. It really increase your confidence, but wasn't meant to be. There's a few people out there.
And again,
Perfectly
Tiger
placed.
finds the fairway. Yeah, he's been dropping.
This one starting out the centre of the green. It looks like he got it. Contact? Yes.
What a roll from Tiger Woods.
To the green. Now Tiger off the tee.
And Curtis misses.
Pockety. This one's sitting down. He's going to have to use all his strength to get on his left side here. Kind of came out knuckling.
Tiger finds the green side bunker on 14.
Yeah, Tiger's first wedge is a 56 after his pitching wedge. That's very, very nicely done.
You're not going to play perfectly all the time. You have to get it up and in.
Oh, he took an early.
We did.
So Tiger a bogey on.
Looks like that's the proper play, just to put it even with the bunker. with a little low draw. Good looking shot. Beautifully played.
Tiger finds the center of the fairway, rolling off to the left there. That 3-wood has become a reliable club for him, Curtis.
I don't think he'd be very happy with that one, Curtis. Breeze did pop up a little bit as he hit. This is where all that lag putting practice he's done is going to come to save him.
Okay, good save. Hit this ball in over top those big, huge cypress trees guarding this green. There's another little cut off follow through, which means it's coming in low.
That's the proper layup. Or did it find the bunker?
No, I think it stayed in the fairway. I think I see it. No, there it is.
Impact the shot from 81 yards. All about the contact here.
Boy, oh boy, what happened there, Jane? Yeah, well done. Well judged.
Curtis, he's
Well done.
Tiger from the right side of the tee box trying to bring it into that left hole location. And this is turning just a little left. It's going to have to get lucky to catch the green.
You couldn't tell by the reaction, but Tiger's going to have a...
About 25 feet or so. That's definitely makeable though. As he hit it, no, that wasn't the best effort.
All right, so Tiger gets his par. Right off the tee on the range, that's carried over onto the course. Let's see what Tiger does now.
Going to the left.
Here, Matt, and this is sitting down right at the base of all this grass. That's about all he could do there. I don't know if it's going to stay. No, it's starting to roll back down that steep slope. Here, steeply uphill with not much green to work with and down breeze. Well, took the idea of the speed around the hole. He's coming back up that hill on that little trough and then downhill once it crests. Oh yeah.
And that'll send Tiger
Just like
Woods to the front nine, feeling good after the par.
Pretty good contact on it.
Go.
Needs to hop up.
All right, good job.
Oh, that's good effort.
Pretty good.
Sometimes it's hard to get it out far enough to the left.
Oh, that swung so hard, right?
14, now he's birdied 3 of his last 4. And all of a sudden, Rory McIlroy's Tiger cleans up his par to remain at 1 under.
left of the bunkers, maybe some tree trouble. It's a magician from positions like this. Probably had better lies than that.
That's another one of those swings, Curtis, that'll
Bring it in lower. Be interesting to see how he plays it.
40 yards from home.
So much for my eyeballs. Oh, lovely. Bones gave it the thumbs up. I would agree.
Drop a stroke on the second to move to even par for the tournament.
He'll hit more shots than Rory. He'll knock the ball down a little bit more than Rory will.
Oh, this one's on a high trajectory as well. Nice little left. It's going to have to carry.
Carried it right through the back of the green.
It's a great camera shot.
Yeah, that's the way you do it. You're not Tiger Woods for nothing.
And so Tiger,
It's enough greens. I had to do that stuff, okay?
look,
I'm with you there, mate. That's why we're here.
I vehemently.
Nice.
Now Tiger.
Titles 2 now, fellas. Their marks.
Second.
Gouging it out with a short iron as best he can.
Same scenario for Tiger as Tiger, his third shot.
8 iron for Tiger. Katie Joe LaCava just gave me the signal. Left hole location. And this one's going flag hunting.
Brilliant.
$500,001.
There you go.
98.1%. Tiger back to 1 under.
Driver here at the 440-yard par 4 fifth.
This is a hole that if you can put the ball in the fairway, it's definitely a birdie hole.
And that is
It's been about 2 hours since he hit a fairway, so that was a nice play.
Well, that was the quick tee pickup. So Tiger knew he hit a good one there. Let's check it.
He's traveling just left of the flag. Oh, just
What a
clung
putt.
in the edge.
On the fifth, Jane looks like he's got driver again.
Yes, he does. From the right side of the tee box. Going to try and work this one around the corner here. He's launched this one pretty high and picking the tee up very quickly, which is always a good sign. I lost it in the grey sky, but that's perfect.
Tell you dead center of the fairway for Tiger's second.
Maybe just a smooth 8 for Tiger. He's drifting right and begging it to get up.
Well, it got
Flaws in it. Maybe it's time for a new one. Uphill working a little right to left. Oh, just lacked a whisker of speed.
Putting well. It's not exactly about how many putts that go in. It's about speed there.
On silent haunches and then moves on. And Tiger has big cat feet. And he is sensible. He's just hit an iron just to lay up. That's perfect.
Or just take dead aim. No tricks to it.
Yeah, there's no wind at all to speak of. He can just go right at it. That's a good looking shot. It's the right distance.
There you go. Easy.
putt. Tiger a birdie on 7 to move to 3 under.
Tough hole location here, just over the right bunker, only about 5 paces on. It doesn't matter where this hole location is. It's such a long par 3.
Jay in there in a minute.
Boy, what a play. What a play. Little down the hill. Boy, I thought he was going to make it.
1-2.
So Tiger.
Disappointing for Tiger. I thought after that beautiful bunker shot that he might save his par. And
Final hole, and now Tiger in his tee shot. By all accounts, he's hit his driver well today.
Thank you.
And he'll also put it in the bag, finding the center of the fairway.
Shape from left to right, fit back into that hole location.
And that's the ball flight, although it's further left than Justin's.
Got a club twirl.
Up the hill a little bit to start with, and then slightly back downhill and into the down grain, I should say. He wants it to go right.
What a
effort.
putt. 2 under for the tournament. 3 shots off the lead of Jason Day, and very much in contention here.